So now we're going to cook an absolutely incredible dish. One of my favourite dishes to cook on the Somerset Grill, which is a Massaman chicken curry. Lovely, soft, subtle spices. The dish is going to sit underneath this rotating chicken. As the rotisserie cooks the chicken evenly throughout, pushing all those lovely juices throughout the chicken. None of it dries out, but it's going to cascade and drop all those natural juices down into the sauce, where we're going to have our rat potatoes, we're going to have green beans, red onions, galangal, ginger, lemongrass, all cooking really slowly. And then we're going to utilise the back of the Somerset Grill at the same time to cook ourselves a lovely wild basmati rice. And we may even finish off at the end with some fresh naan breads just cooked directly on the grills. Okay, so we're going to take our incredible Massaman curry paste, which you can get a link through the website to learn how to make. And as it rotates, we're going to baste it with this sauce. That sauce is then going to catch the moisture in the chicken, marinate and come down into the sauce underneath, which is going to create this lovely dish. Using the rotisserie, cooking the chicken over the top of the curry, then blending it all into the curry at the end. We finished with rice and the basmati and even done some flatbreads on the grill as well. I think you agree, quite an incredible dish, and actually one of my absolute favourites.